Hello everyone, I welcome you all in this video. In this video, I will be presenting a small project we have created for the school management system. Join me as I walk you through the features functionalities of our system. I will explain how it can streamline administrative tasks, enhance communication between teachers, students, parents, and improve overall efficiency. Stay tuned for an exciting demo. Let's get started with introduction. The school management system is an essential software application designed for principal, teachers, as well as students. This review aims to evaluate the implementation of a school management system using the Springboot framework and Hibernate for data persistence. The system's efficiency, scalability, usability to best practices will be assessed to provide valuable insights for developers, educators, and stakeholders. This system is easy to handle. We have created this project under the guidance of Vaibhav Zodge sir, and these are our team members. Now we will discuss the advantages of our project. It provides centralized data management. It enhances the efficiency and productivity. It provides easy access to the academic progress. It is customizable and scalable. Teacher empowerment. It ensures data security and privacy. Let's go through the list of tools we have used in our project. We crafted seamless interfaces using SceneBuilder app. Our core programming language was Java, enriched with the CSS. We harnessed the potential of Springboot, Hibernate, and more. The reliable Eclipse IDE serve as our coding companion. For data mystery, we turn to MySQL efficiency. Postman ensure our API are robust and ready for action. Now we will see the architecture diagram of our project. As you can see, the user needs to do the registration first. After registration, user needs to do the login. After login, depending on his role, the dashboard of principal, teacher, or student is appear. On the dashboard, the various features are provided as if the user is principal, the features provided as student admission, teacher enrollment dashboard. If the user is teacher, then the features provided as notice, fees, timetable, result, due, exam. And if the user is student, then the features provided as notice, fees, timetable, result, due, and exam, which we will see in the further demo. As we have seen the system overview in the PPT, now we will see the demo of our project. Now we will run the application. Yeah, this is the main screen of our project. We have given the two options as login and registration. If user wants to log in, he needs to registration first. And if user wants to do the registration, he needs to be enrolled by the principal. Now we will log in to the principal. I will enter the mobile number and password. As we have entered the wrong mobile number, it will show the error message. Okay. I will enter the correct mobile number as. Yeah, this is the welcome screen of principal. On the principal screen, there are two options as admission and dashboard. First, we will go through the admission. Here we can enroll the teacher and take the admission of student. We will go to the student. We enter all the details of the student. The mobile number is essential for the registration purpose. So we will enter the mobile number and we will insert the image of student. Yeah, this one. We will save the record. User registered successfully. Okay. Now we will enroll the teacher. We will fill all the fields. Image to the database. We will save image. Okay. Now we will see the principal's dashboard where we can see the total number of students admission, total number of enrolled teachers, and the total fees. Principal can update the total fees also. So yeah, this is the total number of fees. This is all about the principal section. Now we'll log into the student and teacher. But for login, we need to do the registration of student and teacher. So yeah, we will go to the registration. I will give the mobile number which is given at the time of teacher's enrollment, and we'll give the GRN number which is auto generated. Click on the next. We will set the password. Oh, it is giving the error message as you have, as the error passcode and confirm passcode is not same. Okay, we can correct it. Yeah, user registered successfully. So this is the dashboard of a teacher on which we can see the teacher's image, teacher's name, teacher's last name, which is saved during the teacher's enrollment. Also we can see the various features which is provided to the teacher and he can use them. We will see the features one by one. Now we will see our first feature, that is notice. I'll enter all the fields. Clicking on the save, the notice is successfully created. Okay, now we will see the notice from student. So as you can see, our notice is successfully created and displayed to the student. Now we will see our next feature, that is exam. Teacher can schedule an exam and enter all the details. Now we click on the save. Exam scheduled successfully. Now from the student dashboard we can see the exam details. So yeah, these are the exam details. Now we will see our next feature, that is timetable. Teacher can upload the timetable for the student. I will select the division as 1. I will select the timetable. Yeah. After clicking on the save, the timetable is added successfully. From the student dashboard, the student can see the timetable of each class. He can see only his class timetable. Now we will see our next feature, that is result. The teacher can enter all the result details. Firstly, we will enter the GRN number of student. We will enter the marks randomly. After clicking on the save, marks entered successfully. Okay. From the student dashboard, the student can see his result only based on his GRN number. The student cannot see others' result. As you can see, these are the marks the student has scored in the subjects. Now we will see our next feature, that is fees. Teacher can add the student fees. First you have to enter the GRN number, let's say 1, and let's say the student has paid the 12,000. We will click on the save. The fees updated successfully. From the student dashboard, the student can see his fees details. As you can see, the 70,000 is the total fees. The student has paid the 12,000 fees, and the difference of them is the 58,000 fees, which is the remaining fees. Now we will see our last feature, that is leave. The student can apply for the leave. We will fill the details. We will enter the reason for the leave. After clicking on the save, the leave is applied successfully. Okay. After that, we can see the leave status, that is null. That is, now we will approve the leave by the teacher. As you can see, the status is still null. We can update the status. We will enter the GRN number. We can approve the leave, update. Yeah, okay. Now we can see the leave status is approved. Student is also able to see his status, that is leave has been approved. So this is it for the entire project demo. We hope you like the demo. Now we will see the source code of our project. So this is the controller class in which we have written the various methods. These are all the endpoints of our methods through which we can call the API. As you can see, this is the request class in which we have created various variables and getter setter for those variables. These are created for the API request. As you can see, this is the entity class in which we have used various annotations just like ID for the primary key, column for the creation of column, table for the creation of table. Also we have used a log for the long string. As you can see, this is the service class of our project. We have created service class for the maintaining the business logic of our project. As you can see, this is the repository interface of our project in which we have created various methods for the data updation, deletion, insertion, extraction. We have created application.properties file for the creation of connection between the source code and database. We use the database name as School Management Common. We use the MySQL database. This is our database, and this is it for the my backend source code. Now we will see the front-end part of our project. We have used the CSS style sheet for our project. We have used this style sheet for giving the constant effect to our project. As you can see, this is the FXML screen of our project. We have used this FXML screen for making the Java FX screen. We have given the FXML screen to the controller connection through this line. As you can see, this is the controller class of our project in which we have used various attributes like date picker, combo box, the text field of Java FX. Also, we have used the various methods for action handling. We can call the API through this. Also, we can give the alert message using this method. And this is it for the front end part of the